Okay, so we're back. The big front end loader stopped beeping at me. So what we're looking at here, Kelty's just gone inside to the gallery for a minute, so we'll get talking to her when she comes back. Is along here we're looking at trying to put some kind of water capture, because the slope runs long. We're not dealing with tons of slope, so, and she's got earth moving equipment, access to the city. We're in North Battlefoot here, by the way, so it would be pretty easy to dig something. We're looking at either flat or even as a little bit downhill coming from over there, where you can see that sort of manhole cover, toward the healing garden, which is here, and help divert and bring water into it. We've got a couple of little gotchas as we got talking here about things. One of the things, let's see if we come down here, I'll just use my foot. These were just gravel or the crushed rock put on top of the dirt. They're not actually dug down or leveled in any way. So that makes for a bit of a challenge in terms of trying to get the water leveled out and captured and keep it on the garden. So we were just having a little chat about that, and we'll talk about it when she gets back here. The other thing, this is neat here, the teepee in the center, the way they got it set up. One thing she was talking about is that she thinks they've got the pathways a little narrow for bringing groups into tour. You can see I'm walking through it, and cord out of the way, walking through it. Here's my foot, right? I'm a size 10, so that gives you an idea of how wide it is. So it's not hugely wide. As we come through toward the edge, you can see the traffic down there. This right here, I don't know that you'll see this on camera, but this has actually crested the hill fairly severely on a downhill slope. So we've got a bit of a challenge here. Come up and look, you can see that's all kind of uphill. Roughly the lowest point, basically on the north side right here, is either here or at my feet or just over there. I'm going to get the level, the water level up, do a little measuring and try to figure out what the lowest point, but it's somewhere around here. And yeah, it's a pretty sharp angle, so we have to figure out what we're going to do about it. Because ideally what we want to do is we want to get, maybe, if she's got access to enough people, scrape this off, re-dig these and get them leveled. And the thing that it looks like is that we would be, an inch deep here, but up there would be about 8 inches deep because of the slope. We'll see. Anyhow, we'll come back for part 3 after Kelty gets back. And I have a coffee to warm up because it was supposed to be 16 degrees today, and instead it's about 7 or 8 and windy, and it's actually kind of chilly out here.